Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your credit card statements with PNC, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover your credit card statements with PNC, start by visiting the official PNC website. Log into your PNC online banking account. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up option to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the accounts section on the dashboard. Select your credit card account from the list of accounts displayed. Look for the Statements tab, which is usually found in the menu. Click on the Statements tab to view your available statements. You will see a list of your previous credit card statements, organized by date. Find the statement you want to recover. Click on the desired statement to open it. If you wish to download it, look for the download icon or option. Choose the format you want for the download. Once downloaded, the statement will be saved to your device. If you need older statements that are not listed, check for an Archive Statements link. Follow the prompts to access older statements if available. If you encounter any difficulties, use the Help section or contact customer support. They can assist you further with recovering your statements. Make sure to log out of your account when you are finished for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.